Good morning, Millie. It's time for phonics. Hello, children. Are you ready for some fridge phonics? Today we're going to be doing some segmenting and blending. Turn on that robot because we're going to get started in a minute. We're going to be segmenting and blending for reading. Okay, I'm going to put some words on the fridge and I want you to read them using your segmenting and blending skills. Right. Right. Can you read this, children? First segment. Going to sound out the first three sounds. Hand. What's this? Hand. Hand. Well done, children. Let's move on to the next one. Just changing one of the letters. What does it become now? Can you see the pattern? Land. Well done, children. Land. Excellent. I bet you read that before me. Next one. Keeping the same pattern. Sand. Sand. Did you get that? I bet you did. Same pattern again, children. What's that say then? Of course. Band. Band. Well done. Excellent. Right, let's change some more. What does this say? Are you ready? Put them together. Lamb. Lamb. Lamp. Did you get that one? I bet you did. And finally, what does that say? Damp. Damp. See the pattern from before? Lamp and damp. Well done, children. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is choose one of these words and make a sentence. Do you think you can? See you next time. Bye.